Hi folks, I'm trying to fix a failed canvas today. So you can already see it here on the screen. It is a nice color palette though, but the gold ripped itself apart. I thought I'm cool and try to mix some resin pigments into my pouring medium and see if it gives me this resin glitter, shine and shimmer, which it does, but it didn't hold its shape. So the paint itself kind of clumped together, ripped itself apart, and it has more or less small clumps of paint than a really solid line or stream of paint, which can give a cool effect, but it really wasn't something I can control. Nor does it even look kind of fancy for this project, which I try to save. So, and by saving I mean more or less pouring over it. The fancy tool that you can see here in the middle of the screen is my 5-cup pouring tool. I've used it in a couple other videos before. So if you look for a 5-cup tool or 3-cup tool on my channel, you will pretty much find the videos which are easy to find. And yeah, color wise we are going to use 4 colors here plus white. And this is a metallic turquoise, gold, Naples yellow and violet. I know it's not my usual color palette, but it's still on the bluish side, so I guess I'm good. For the colors itself, it is totally up to you if you put one color into each ring, if you layer them up, if you put multiple colors into one ring, if you put them side by side, whatever comes up to your mind, give it a try and see what result you can get. I like to put white in the middle though, even if it's only a half cup of white, because this makes the white lay over the other colors and gives you most of the times a cool feathered kind of mystical and airy look. It doesn't work out all the time. It didn't work out in the end in this project here as I hoped it would, but still I really like the color palette, the color that I've chosen, and the final composition. Composition not in a way that I was able to really control it. This is most of times not really the case, but you can at least manipulate the colors a bit so that you come closer to something that you had envisioned in the first place, or even something that you like in the end. As you will see in a second, there is a lot of color within this pouring tool, and I also added a base layer color onto the canvas just to make it easier to flow over. So we are going to have some drip of paints over the edges of the canvas, which is totally fine. So you can use less paint of course, but the less paint you take, the narrower your chances are to manipulate the paint in a way that it looks cool. So we are going to end up having a ton of really thin lines on the canvas. You can leave it as is if you want, if you like the look, but I actually like to stretch those lines out as much as possible to give me a kind of diversity on the canvas, and it makes it look a bit, I don't know, elaborated? I don't know if this is the word I was looking for, but I like this stretched out look a bit more than having all these teeny tiny lines on there, because it makes it look kind of busy, you know what I mean? So I like it a bit calmer, and I think I kind of did a good job there. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the color palette, if you like the design, if you would have stopped earlier, or if you like perhaps my failed pour that I had in the beginning. I don't know. It was just an experiment. It was fun playing with the 5-cup tool again, although it is actually meant for larger canvases. So if you have a really large canvas, it is a perfect tool to give you a really cool design. One of my most favorite pours that I've ever done, I made with this 5-cup tool. I will just put a picture of it here in the video so that you can relate. This one was just stunning. I loved it. I still love it. I'm having it here, and yeah, I think it's one of my best pours that I've ever done. But enough rambling for now. Enjoy watching the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Hit the subscribe button to not miss out any of my new videos. Please also click the bell icon for notifications, and make sure to come back for my next videos. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.